Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a rainbow among us. So let's get started. To draw this very colorful crewmate, let's first start by drawing its visor. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve and come down. And I'm going to go across. So we're just kind of drawing this ovalish shape, and then I'm going to bring it down. Then come back right here. We're going to come down and round this part off as well. And come over here a little bit sharper, and then we're going to go ahead and connect slightly upwards. There, just something like that. It doesn't, there's just so many ways you can draw. There's all these different shapes for the visor, but just something a little bit more wider here and sharper over here. From there, let's come to the edge right here, and I'm going to draw a curve. Comes through about right here and down. Then I'm going to come right across, come about the center of this visor, come out, say about this much, and I'll bring down a curve. So we're going to start the body and back and forth. I'm just going to build this, and we're just going to build your basic Among Us. So let's come back to about right here where the visor is. Come straight down and say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and then I'm going to draw a soft curve. From there is where the legs are going to start. So let's come down with a curve, and let's go ahead and connect for our legs. And same thing on this side. So bring this down. And this side is going to be a little bit shorter because it is kind of viewed at an angle. So a little bit shorter and connect. There. So then from there, let's go up over here. Nice and round, and we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve at the top. So a little bit sharper at the top. And down. And then let's draw the pack on the back. So about right here in the center, let's come out. And we're going to draw a curve, round it off a little bit, bring it down, about to this area right here. Now that we have this drawn in, let's go ahead and spruce it up. So the first thing I like to do is to come up here and to add some magic. I thought it'd be really cute to add these little antennas or a headband. So right here, I'm just going to add a curve, and I'm going to add a star to it. So just round it off my corners to draw these 5 points. And if you need help drawing a star, definitely Google "draw so cute star," how to draw a star, and hopefully that will help you. And I'll pop in another one about right here and do the same thing. So because this is a rainbow among us, just thinking of all the things that we could add to the theme. So that's why I'm putting the stars up here. Okay, so then from there, let's see here. Let's come over to the pack, and we're going to draw some sparkles. So say about right here, I'll go ahead and draw these curves. So sparkles are pretty simple, just 2 curves, and then they connect 2 more at the bottom. And let's add 1 more here since we have enough room, and do the same thing. So just make sure it's all centered, your points meet. Now that we have that sparkle in, let's create the color bands. So I'm just going to come right here. I'll start about right here at the top, and I'm going to give myself a point of right across, just because I'm drawing pretty big. Just makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm going to start with a curve, and I'll come about right. I'm planning on putting 7, so hopefully that will work out. Let's see. But I'm just adding these curves to give my Among Us here some dimension. Make it nice and round looking. So let's add 1 right here. Give myself a point, come right across, go right here. And to my point, and 1 here. Come right across. And one more, so maybe right here. We'll add our last band of color. There. So we can add all these colors on here, and let's continue this band into our pack. And here as well. There. And let's see, and I thought it'd be really cute if we had this Among Us holding a raindrop, because it is a rainbow, right? So let's come about right here, nice and high, and I'm going to draw a curve, come out, curve, and then we're going to come down. So let's see here. What actually I should have done was started with the curve. So let's come back right here, sorry, in this area. I'm going to draw a curve. So imagine I didn't do this yet. So just start with a curve. Sorry, this is much easier. Let's draw a little curve right here, kind of like a little upside down raindrop. And I'm going to round this off for my thumb and come out. And then the index finger. And then we're going to angle it. So after you draw this, then you go around to draw the outside shape. So I think that's a little bit easier. And connect right there. Okay, so then in here, our Among Us our crewmates holding a raindrop. So I'll just make some dots. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll draw a really big raindrop. Not like any of this makes sense at all anyways, right? So why not? There. And let's see, that'd be even more magical if we had this crewmate here on a cloud. So let's, if you want to do that, let's come about right here. And I'm just going to draw your basic fluffy cloud. All right, here on the other side. And nice big curve right here. And connect. And we can add a little curve here as well. And let's see, so hopefully that looks like our crewmate is on a cloud here. And last but not least, I'll add a heart right here. Just stamp it. So now it's my Draw So Cute Rainbow Among Us character, and I really hope this inspires you. And thank you, Draw So Cuties, for always inspiring me and giving me all these awesome requests. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.